Imagine living with pain that strikes without warning. You could be chatting with a friend or watching a movie when it hits. Pain sharp enough to take your breath away. The pain can happen anywhere in your body. Maybe your hands or feet, maybe your chest. You can never predict where it will strike next. Most of the time, you ride these attacks out at home, but sometimes they are bad enough to land you in the hospital. The pain disrupts your life. You had to quit the basketball team after missing too many practices. You'd like to get a job to earn some extra money, but you worry about upholding your commitment. And as you think about your future career, you know you'll need to find one that gives you the flexibility to manage your condition. This is the reality of someone living with sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease is a disorder of the blood. Under normal conditions, flexible, disc-shaped red blood cells flow through our blood vessels, transporting oxygen from the lungs to cells throughout our bodies. The protein hemoglobin, which floats freely in red blood cell cytoplasm, is the molecule that binds and carries oxygen. In sickle cell disease, a mutation leads to a change in the shape of red blood cells that makes it harder for the blood to flow freely. The mutation causes hemoglobin molecules to stick together. Instead of floating freely, they form long chains that bend red blood cells into a crescent or sickle shape. Sickled red blood cells do not move smoothly through the bloodstream. They tend to clump together and form blockages that prevent oxygen from reaching tissues. It is that lack of oxygen that triggers severe pain episodes. And if blockages happen in vital organs like the brain, they can even cause death. Today, you'll explore the genetics of sickle cell disease as you run a DNA test to help a family find out if their daughter has the disease. Let's begin.